What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop into this video, make sure you give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded women. And men, actually, because I do have some male subscribers. So yeah, join this community. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'll be going over my 2024 Loc Goals, y'all. Yes, and I'm gonna break it down for you. I'm gonna be very detailed about what kind of things I want to accomplish with my locks this year, so make sure you keep watching. Before we hop into that, y'all, we made it to 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! I'm so excited, y'all, because y'all know I've been wanting to reach that goal, and I'm so grateful that we did reach it before the end of 2023. As promised, we will be doing a giveaway. Yes, I will be doing a giveaway to one of my lucky subscribers, and the information regarding the giveaway will be posted on January 5th, which is Friday. I think Friday is January 5th. Yeah, it will be posted this Friday, you guys. So make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you have on the post notifications, because that's the only place that I will be posting the rules and what you got to do in order to be a part of the giveaway, and so that you can be a possible winner. I'm waiting for some more items to arrive. You know, with the holidays, shipping has been a little backed up, but one of the packages arrived the other day. I'm gonna show y'all, which is, if you can tell, it's from Loclicious. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, then you know that I've been using Loclicious products religiously. So that's just a little sneak peek of what's going to be a part of the giveaway. But yes, I want to make sure that you guys have the opportunity to win. So make sure that the post notifications are turned on, because the rules to the giveaway will be posted on Friday, okay? No long talking. Y'all can see that my hair look a mess. I just took down the last lock style that I had with the lock knot bangs. If you didn't see that tutorial, I'll make sure that I link that so you can check that out. But we are about to get into a little self-care for the locks and go over my 2024 Loc Goals. So let's hop into the video.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do? Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. shadow. I need to go and 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 shadow. Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a deep, body, bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fait, on m'a tête, chocolat, fine, fine, oh, baguette, watch your love for like it, wine, I'm on your body, chocolate, bush it ready, yeah, imade, double dose, kilo fait.
I find why I gave you what you needing. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I just don't live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind. I'm not me to take you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, you could leave, I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Up till the morning, I want to down from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all.